The Biden administration crashed the stock market. Well, at least most of the stock market. Today we're going to be talking about a specific stock that actually did absolutely amazing when you compare it to the overall stock market today. That stock, of course, is none other than OCGN. In this video, we're going to be going over everything that's going on with OCGN currently, some of the news articles that have come out about it, why it's running so good over the past couple of days, and just my personal thoughts and thesis on the company. Before we get this video, I just want to ask you guys to please hit the like and subscribe button as it helps the channel out immensely. Make sure to check out our WeBull link if you guys want to pick up some free stocks with WeBull. Check out our channel membership and our course program. It's all linked below, but other than that, guys, let's get right into this video. Alrighty, everybody, let's take a look at OCGN or OCGN. Here we have just a very simplified chart. We're going to go deeper, of course, later in this video into some of the technicals, but just real quick, just so we get a overarching broad view into the price action that went on today. As you can see here, 42.92% gain in a little under a day, up about $2.79. As you can see here, after hours continued to run pretty steadily, and for most of the day was, stagnant for the most part, but then began to kind of have a nice rally into the close. If we look at the 5-day real quick, just to get some more context of the overall situation, OCGN trading pretty stagnant around the $5 to $6 level. Huge spike in price here, and we'll get into why that happened in a little bit here, and then a continue uptrend into about the $9 range, which is pretty cool. Now we'll go a little bit deeper into the price action, but for now, let's talk about why shares are up 43% today, and that is no other reason than, of course, about vaccine data, right? Vaccine data came out basically saying that there is a strong performance in its virus vaccine partner, Berharat, I'm sorry if I'm mispronouncing that, biotech. They reported strong phase 3 results in second interim analysis of Covaxin, which is the proprietary vaccine technology or I guess material or whatever you want to call it that OCGN is making use of. The rest of this is really interesting too. Covaxin is also now listed on the FDA substance registration system, which is obviously a big deal for overall not just relevance, but I would say trustworthiness and just overall just what's the word? It's just overall, it's good for the company. It's good to get on the FDA's list of its substance registration system. This is good news, obviously, of course. OCGN shares are up 9.7% to $10.19 in after hours trading. Very impressive, coming from lows of about $5, kind of in the earlier part of this week. And this is all obviously very good news. They're pushing towards the right direction as far as getting this all kind of squared away and getting a better footing in the overall vaccine market, especially in the times that we're in with the virus and the everything going on in the world. So let's take a look here at Think or Swim. Okay, here we are on Think or Swim, right? We're going to take a look. These are of course, the sticks. That's what we call them here. We run a little intro. Thank you. So the sticks, right? Here we have this is the 1 minute, 1 day chart, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. I could be mistaken. Yes, 1 day, 1 minute chart. As you can see here, this is after hours. Let's zoom out just a little bit here so we get some more context. As you can see here, this is the full day chart. As you can see, pre-market, relatively, a little bit of volume here and there. Right on open, huge spike in price here. Well, huge, I guess, is relative, but all the way up to about the 750 level. Then we kind of stagnate for a little bit, consolidate, and huge breakout here, all the way to the 10 level, down a little bit in after hours, down to the 10 level in after hours is what we hit in after hours, and then it goes down here, consolidates for a bit, pushes back up, and now we're sitting at about $10.31, which is awesome, right? Looking at the RSI, 61, getting close to that oversold level, as you can see back here in after hours, which should be right around here. That is likely where we're seeing some of this oversold action going on. You can see it right there. Or sorry, oversold. It was oversold right about here. A little bit of oversold right here, but right now we're sitting at about 61, so we're approaching that level. As you can see here, the blue line on the MACD is well above the brown line. And of course the thing with technicals though is that, and one of the main things I really want to emphasize on in this video is that because a lot of you may be familiar with what happened today, and that of course is the announcement or the possibility that Biden President Biden of the United States wants to possibly push forward new tax proposals as far as capital gains go for people making both over $1 million a year, bigger, larger capital gains taxes, which would mean probably whales in the market are more likely to sell out, which I think is a lot of what we saw today. Just overall confidence in the market kind of falling in general. And then we also saw, of course, today the large, in part, also the possibility of raising the income tax. That was another thing that was discussed. That, of course, affects not just the whales and the people who are making upwards of $1 million a year. This affects retail. This affects everybody, if it goes into play, of course. This is all speculative, of course. Biden is proposing this. It's not necessarily going to happen for sure. And likely, if there is enough votes in the Senate and House of Representatives to go against this, then obviously this will not pass. We will just have to wait and see, unfortunately, with that, though. If it does pass, might spell some bad news from the market. If it doesn't, might spell some good news. We will just have to see. I'm overall still very bullish on the market in general. I've never really let taxes stop me from investing really in anything. There is inherently risk in taxes and pretty much everything in life, especially things that have to do with money. That's a little off topic, but I just want to bring that up because with OCGN, I think there is a very big possibility that if tomorrow this continued sell-off from the tax news or proposal that's trying to be proposed, there could be more continued sell-off. And as good as this momentum looks with OCGN, right, with this huge push up into the 10 level, it's very possible that the hype and speculation could die down. Now, of course, it could not, and tomorrow we could see a great day on market open. Also, tomorrow I'm referring to, which is today, because this video will be going up tomorrow, but that will be today. I'm sorry that's a little bit confusing, but just know when I'm mentioning tomorrow, it's actually the day that this video is released or posted. But overall, I'm very bullish on OCGN. I think that they're actually getting really, really good footing in the industry now, and they're continuing to rise in price. I'd love to see it. I'd love to see any kind of growth especially with this type of company where it's been a speculative play for a very long time. And people who were holding for a long time they're being well rewarded today, and a lot of people, from what I've seen on Twitter, stock twits, all these different, Discord forums and everything, they're still holding. A lot of people have taken profits, but a lot of people are still holding. They're thinking that this stock, they have price targets of $20 to $30, so we will just have to see. But of course, these are some uncertain times in the market, at least from yesterday. Now, do I think that news will continue? Who knows, right? We have to see what happens if overall speculation continues in the market tomorrow. I wouldn't doubt if it does. If it doesn't, then awesome, we got some green days. If not, I will probably be buying the dip on some of my favorite plays. Let me know, of course, down in the comments what you guys are doing, what your plans are. Let me know what you guys think about OCGN as well with this awesome price movement we've been seeing recently. Let me know if you guys are making some money on it. Let me know if you guys think it's overvalued, undervalued, whatever. We'd love to read your guys' comment suggestions and your overall thoughts. So other than that, guys, that is pretty much it for OCGN. But other than that, that's pretty much it for OCGN. Let me know what you guys think, of course, in the comments down below. I like the company. I like where they're headed. I like to see this type of price action, especially in this crazy market and economy that we are in right now. I'm really looking forward to the continued growth and expansion of OCGN, but of course, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. But other than that, guys, that is all we have for you guys today. Make sure to like the video, subscribe if you're new, hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video like this. Make sure to check out the WeBull link if you guys want to pick up some free stocks with WeBull. Our course program and our channel membership are all linked down below if you guys want to support us there and get some value at the same time. But other than that, guys, that is all I have for you guys today. I'm Kyle, Finance Bro. Take it easy.